Did you know sneezing can be dangerous? Here's why. When you sneeze, your heart does stops for 0.001 second. So there is a why people say, bless you. Plus, most people automatically close their eyes. It's a natural defense to protect against infection. But what happens if you hold in a sneeze? It can burst blood vessels in your brain or eyes, damage your eardrums, and in extreme cases, be deadly. And if you sneeze too hard, you could actually break a rib. So next time you sneeze, let it out safely. Did this fact shock you? Comment below, follow for more crazy body facts.